If you're over 50, you may have been told this many times. You need to move faster. You need to push harder. You need high-intensity workouts to lose weight. But what if your body doesn't feel safe doing that anymore? What if your knees hurt, your balance feels uncertain, or you're afraid of falling? Stay with me for the next few minutes. Today, I want to show you something different. A gentle way to burn fat, calm your nervous system, and help your body feel safe enough to let go of weight. This is Tai Chi Walking, designed for beginners and especially helpful after 50. You don't need to remember anything. Just follow my voice and move at your own pace. You don't need to jump, you don't need to sweat hard, and you don't need a lot of space. This practice is low impact, joint friendly, and can be done right in your living room. If at any point you feel tired, dizzy, or uncomfortable, simply slow down or stop and rest. You are always in control. You can pause, slow down, or stop at any time. If this already feels manageable, you're doing it exactly right. Your body is in charge here. Why? Tai Chi Walking supports weight loss. After 50, weight gain is not just about calories. It's deeply connected to your nervous system. When your body feels stressed or unsafe, it holds on to fat, especially around the belly. Tai Chi Walking works differently. Slow movement, controlled breathing, steady balance send a signal of safety. That's why many people begin to eat less, sleep better, and feel lighter over time with this kind of movement. And as we move today, that process has already begun. Preparation, standing posture. Now, let's begin by gently preparing the body. Stand in a way that feels comfortable for you. Place your feet about hip-width apart. There's no need to force your stance. Choose a position where you feel natural and steady. Soften your knees slightly. Don't lock them. Imagine your knees as soft springs, relaxed and flexible. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Let them drop down naturally. There's nothing to hold up. No tension needed. Allow your arms to rest comfortably by your sides. If it feels better, you may gently place your hands in front of your lower belly. Just a light, relaxed touch. Now, gently lift the top of your head. Imagine a soft string guiding you upward from the crown of your head. Your spine becomes a little longer, while the rest of your body stays relaxed. Take a moment to notice your whole body. See if there's any tightness or discomfort. There's nothing to fix. Simply allow your body to soften. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Slowly breathe in through your nose and gently breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in slowly and breathe out. Let your breathing be easy and natural. No forcing, no effort. Feel your body beginning to settle. Your muscles relax. Your balance becomes steadier. There's nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to do. We're simply waking the body up gently. Stay here for a few moments, feeling calm, grounded, and supported. Basic step: lift and place. Now we'll begin with the basic Tai Chi walking step, sometimes called lift in place. First, gently shift a small amount of your body weight onto your left foot. There is no rush here. Let the shift happen slowly and naturally, just enough for your left leg to become your supporting leg. Feel how the ground responds and holds you steady. Take a moment to notice your balance. Your upper body stays relaxed. Your shoulders remain soft. Your knees stay slightly bent, never locked. When you feel stable, slowly lift your right foot off the floor. You only need to lift it a few centimeters, just enough for the foot to clear the ground. There is no benefit in lifting higher. In Tai Chi, walking, smaller movements often create better control. Keep your ankle relaxed. Allow your toes to stay soft and loose. There should be no gripping, tightening, or tension anywhere in the foot or lower leg. The leg feels light, calm, and ready. Now, gently place your right heel down first. Think of touching the floor quietly, as if you do not want to make any sound at all. The heel meets the ground with care and awareness. Once the heel is resting on the floor, slowly roll the foot forward. Allow the sole of the foot to gradually meet the ground, one part at a time. Continue rolling forward until the toes rest lightly and comfortably on the floor. This entire movement is smooth and controlled. Nothing is forced, nothing is rushed. Each part of the step flows naturally into the next. Pause for a moment and feel the ground beneath your foot. Notice how the floor supports your weight and helps you stay balanced and secure. In Tai Chi walking, there is no hurry. Each step moves at its own pace. Moving slowly allows your body to feel safe. It builds balance, confidence, and ease, one gentle step at a time. Fat burning, flow, and confidence. Now we connect the steps into a gentle flow. Step forward, breathe out, step back, return to center. Breathe in. Imagine moving through warm water, smooth, continuous, supported. Let the movement feel circular, not mechanical. Each slow step gently engages your legs, hips, and core. Key areas for fat burning after 50. Adding arm movement. Now, we'll gently begin to add arm movement to your walking. There is no need to change anything quickly. This part is meant to feel natural, calm, and easy. There is no effort here and no forcing. As your right foot steps forward, allow your left arm to slowly float forward as well. The movement is small and soft, as if the arm is being carried forward by the step itself. When your left foot steps forward, your right arm follows in the same gentle way. The arms move in coordination with the legs, but they are never stiff or mechanical. They simply respond to the rhythm of your walking. Imagine your arms moving like soft waves on calm water, smooth, continuous, and unhurried. There are no sharp movements and no sudden changes. Keep your shoulders relaxed at all times. Let them rest naturally, without lifting or tightening. Your upper body remains soft and at ease. Allow your hands to stay low and comfortable, around waist level or slightly lower. There is no need to raise the arms high. Let the elbows remain gently bent, never locked or tense. There should be no force in the arms at all. The movement comes from relaxation, not effort. If the arms feel heavy or uncomfortable, simply make the movement smaller. At any moment, you may pause the arms and continue walking with just the legs. That is perfectly fine. In Tai Chi Walking, there is no right or wrong way to move the arms. What matters most is that your movement feels calm, balanced, and safe. Choose the range of motion that feels best for your body today. Comfort, ease, and relaxation always come first. Awareness. Notice how your body feels. Notice how your body feels right now. Calmer breathing, steadier balance, a quieter mind. This calm state is not a break from weight loss. It is the foundation of it. Closing. You've just completed a Tai Chi walking session created especially to support weight loss after 50. Practicing for just 10 to 20 minutes a day can gently support fat burning, improve your balance, and help you feel more confident in your body. Remember, you don't need to fight your body to lose weight. Instead, work with it, move gently, and allow change to happen naturally in its own time. Thank you for taking this time to practice with me today. I'll see you in the next session. If this practice felt safe and supportive for you, you may want to save this video or continue with the next session in this series.